When a child is in a state of happiness, it gurgles and laughs and in other ways expresses its joy. When the child is doing this, is anyone worried? Usually not, as we will be busy enjoying the joy of watching a child expressing joy. But just let that child cry out in despair and see how much attention he attracts. Almost everyone within hearing distance, most of all the mother, will rush to see what is wrong. Even on the street complete strangers will show concern. Surely you will want to know the reason if you see a child crying. Now why is this so? The answer lies in our deep belief that it is natural for a child to be happy and quite out of order for it to cry. In other words, joy is its natural state and crying and being not joyful is unnatural. One question remains: how come we did not preserve this attitude into adulthood? As adults we seem to accept that it is natural to be either with or without joy. As we grew we needed reasons to be joyful. It was not spontaneous anymore. As adults we need wealth to be joyful, we need promotions to be joyful. As children all we needed was love. As we question ourselves in this direction for just a while, we see that it was the human race that brought about these complexities to ourselves. Back in earlier times when man's needs were few, he must have been joyful most of the time. He must have had a lot of time to be with his loved ones and enjoy their love. Then he set out to improve himself. He discovered that he needed wealth, he needed big homes, beautiful cars and a whole host of things in order to be joyful. How mysterious! He needed something to make himself joyful when he was already joyful without them. Sad as it is, we realize of course that we cannot live in the world and refuse to be a part of it. For example, we cannot say that we have decided to be joyful by enjoying the simple things of life like sunshine and fresh water and perhaps some vegetables growing in the wild. Such a joyful state will indeed be there if all of humanity returns to the same state of simplicity in an instant. We cannot do it alone, because we are doomed to be part of the world and to try to find joy in owning a lot of things. How wonderful it would be if love alone were to be enough to be joyful.